What if the phone in your pocket could unfold twice to become a cinematic theater, while your TV at home literally disappeared into a pane of clear glass? Welcome to the future. We are standing on the floor of CES 2026 at the Samsung booth, and the energy here is electric. Samsung isn't just showing off incremental updates this year. They're fundamentally redefining how we interact with screens. From TVs that wrap around walls to the long-awaited TriFold smartphone, the Korean tech giant is making a massive statement. Today, we're going behind the curtain to see if these new form factors are truly game changers or just high-tech novelties. First, let's talk about the eyes. Samsung has introduced a new AI picture mode powered by what they call the Micro RGB Color Booster Pro. This isn't just about brightness, it's about precision. Walking through the demo, the difference is night and day. On one side, you have standard 4K. On the other, a vibrant, hyper-realistic image upscaled by 128 AI neural networks. But it's not just for movies. They've introduced an AI soccer mode that is a sports fan's dream. Imagine being able to mute just the commentary to feel like you're in the stadium, or doing the opposite, boosting the voices while dampening the crowd noise. It's personalized audio-visual immersion like we've never seen. One of the most practical breakthroughs is their new glare-free technology for top-tier OLED TVs. If you've ever lived in a sun-drenched apartment, you know the pain of seeing your own reflection instead of the movie. Samsung has implemented a nano-texture finish, similar to what we've seen on high-end Pro tablets and monitors, that virtually eats ambient light. Even under the harsh, direct stage lights of CES, the screen remains deep, inky, and visible from every angle. It's a feature that might finally make OLED the undisputed king of the living room. Now, for the device everyone is crowded around, the new Galaxy Z TriFold. This isn't just a phone, it's a 10-inch tablet that fits in your pocket. Unlike some competitors that leave the screen exposed on the outside where it's prone to scratches, Samsung has engineered an in-folding mechanism that keeps the main display fully protected when closed. When you unfold it, you're greeted by a massive workspace. The most impressive part is the aspect ratio. Because of the trifold design, when you watch 16:9 video content, those annoying black bars at the top and bottom are almost gone. It's much more efficient than the Square Z Fold 7. Despite the extra hinge, the device is incredibly thin, roughly 12 millimeters when folded, which is a feat of engineering. Under the hood, it's packing that massive 200-megapixel sensor, giving it the photographic muscle of the S25 Ultra in a form factor that expands to the size of an iPad mini. Samsung is also experimenting with a new category called moving style. Think of it as a portable, touch-sensitive universal monitor with a built-in handle. It runs Tizen OS and is designed to move with you, from showing recipe sheets in the kitchen to acting as a gaming hub in the bedroom. It's a bridge between a tablet and a TV, targeting users who want a high-quality screen that isn't tethered to a wall. Finally, we have to look at the bespoke JetBot vacuum and the transparent micro LED. The new robot vacuum is terrifyingly smart. It uses AI to recognize liquids. If it sees a coffee spill, it applies steam at 100 degrees Celsius to sanitize the floor. It can even lift itself 60 millimeters to climb over thick rugs and has enough suction to lift a 10 kilograms weight. And then there's the transparent micro LED. It looks like a pane of glass until the pixels fire up. While it's currently a wow piece for luxury homes or storefronts, seeing the clarity of an image floating in midair suggests that the TV as a black box on the wall era is coming to an end. Samsung is betting big on flexibility, both in their screens and in how we live our lives. Whether it's the TriFold phone arriving in early 2026 or the AI that cleans your floors with steam, the message is clear. The future isn't flat.